안녕하세요, 빌리온입니다. 오늘은 주식 투자할 때 반드시 필요한 수학 지식에 대해 이야기해 보겠습니다. 사람들은 투자를 할 때 민첩하고 머리가 좋아야 좋은 결과를 얻을 것이라고 생각합니다. 그렇다면 우리는 어느 정도의 수학 지식이 있어야 투자를 잘할 수 있을까요?
Another thing about it is math and the kind of math you need to do this. I don't use a computer. I don't have a computer. I really was doing great math. I remember one day, I think it was ninth grade, it was a grim day. Somebody introduced cosine. That day, I mean, remember cosine? I mean, has anybody used cosine the last couple of years? I mean, that is such garbage. You don't need this for the stock market. If you can add 8 and 8 and get fairly close to 16, that's all you need. You say 400 million in debt, no equity, no cash, losing money, forget it. They get 300 million in cash, no debt, 200 million in net worth. They're losing 10 million a quarter, but they'll be around. That's all you need. That's all you need. Is not that hard. If you made it through 5th grade math, you can handle this stuff.
투자의 세계에서는 사칙 연산만 가능하면 누구나 좋은 결과를 얻을 수 있습니다. 그렇다면 대부분의 투자자들은 좋은 투자자가 될 만한 지적 능력을 모두 갖추고 있다는 뜻인데 왜 대부분의 투자자가 실패를 할까요?
A great IQ is not needed. I mean, you do not have to be terrifically smart to do well as an investor at all. The proof is in my record, actually. From 11 to 19, I read every book there was on investments, and I didn't do well at all. And I had no real investment philosophy. I had a lot of things I tried. And I read Ben's book in 1949 or 49 when I was at the University of Nebraska, and that actually just changed my whole view of investing in terms of the basic approach of going about investing, which is to think about stocks as businesses and then think about what makes a good business. And really that's all there is to investing and having a margin of safety, which Ben talks about, and so on. It's not a complicated process, but it definitely requires discipline. It requires insulating yourself from popular opinion. You simply can't pay any attention to it. It just doesn't mean anything. So the idea of listening to lots of people tell you things and all that, it's just a waste of time. You'd be better off just sitting and thinking a little bit.
젊은 시절 워렌 버핏도 투자에 관한 모든 책들을 읽었지만 투자 성과가 좋지 못했습니다. 그 이유는 바로 투자 철학이 없었기 때문이죠. 투자의 성과를 가장 크게 좌우하는 것은 바로 투자 철학입니다. 대중들과 멀리 떨어져 스스로 생각할 줄 아는 힘을 기르는 것입니다. 아무리 머리가 좋고 계산이 빨라도 자신만의 투자 철학이 없다면 결코 성공할 수 없습니다. 과도한 욕심을 버리고 단기적인 주가 변동이 아닌 기업을 보신다면 여러분도 훌륭한 투자자가 될 수 있을 거라 생각합니다. 다음 시간에는 왜 올바른 투자법은 배우기가 힘든지에 대해 이야기해 보겠습니다. 빌리온이었습니다.